Hey, are you ready to learn insect vocabulary in Spanish? Let's get started. Hi, I'm Jessica from Learning with Jessica Diaz, and today's video is all about insects. We're going to learn the words in Spanish for bee, ant, butterfly, fly, and cricket. Let's start with bee. In Spanish, bee is abeja. A-be-ja. Abeja. Our second word for the day is ant, which is hormiga. Let's break it down. Hormiga. Hormiga. Our third word for today is butterfly, which is mariposa. Let's break down the phonetics of that word. Ma-ri-po-sa. Mariposa. Our fourth word is fly, which is mosca. 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 And our last word today is cricket. Grillo. 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 Let's review those 5 words. In Spanish, bee is abeja. Ant is hormiga. Butterfly is mariposa. Fly is mosca. And cricket is grillo. Now let's test your knowledge. If you wanted to say bee in Spanish, how would you do it? If you said abeja, you're right. What about ant? How would you say ant in Spanish? Hormiga. Next is butterfly. How would you say butterfly in Spanish? If you said mariposa, then you're right. What about the word fly? How would you say fly in Spanish? Mosca. And last, cricket. How would you say cricket in Spanish? Grillo. Thanks so much for tuning in to my 5 Spanish words of the day. If you use these videos to learn Spanish, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.